What's going on, y'all? So y'all been asking me about these LEDs. I'm going to install these LED headlight kits on for you guys, so stay tuned. So I'm about to go somewhere and park and get these things installed for you guys. Let's go. Alright, you guys, this is what I will be using, and I'm going to show you what you need to use to take this airbox filter off. Alright, you guys, but I'm going to use this. I don't know what it's called. It's for this part right here. So yeah. Start releasing it. And you would need this. It's 3 screws down here. Slides right on out. There you go. So then you have to go up in here. Alright, so this is what I'm using. Again, LED headlights kits by ExxonHIDs.com. So when you open it, it looks like this. All this. And there's a fan in here that cools it off. And then when I first bought this, I was like, how would this all fit in there with this cap in the way? But I figured it out. All you do is just fit it on in between the inserts. So it looks like this. And the fan is on. The fan is on right now. Yeah, it's real bright, ain't it? This is real bright. I will insert pictures of what it looked like at nighttime. Alright, so here it is during the daytime. This is the blue light. And on this side, this is the nasty yellow. I don't understand why Dodge put yellow when all these other lights are bright blue. I never understood that. But anyways, I'm gonna finish on. Alright, so everything is pushed in behind there. It all fit in. See, they're all closed in, it's all sealed. So now I'm putting it back in. Correct way. Let's see. Oh, almost forgot the filter. Alright, that's the filter. No. 3 screws that go in there on the sides, and the 1 screw that go up in here. screw, 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 another screw. That's a screw to use. Forgot to tell y'all, these are the capacitors, so you won't have no lights on the dashboard showing up. All right, so I already got the left side installed. I basically show this part off because this is the hardest part on getting into the light. So I'm pretty sure y'all already know how to get on the right side, so yeah.
No, that yeah, like that.
It's official.